Hi, my name is Nilesh. We are going to visit Dharavi, one of the largest slums in Asia, which is home to over a million people spread over 432 acres. During the tour, we will explore commercial and residential parts of Dharavi. We will begin with the commercial area where we're gonna see variety of businesses such as plastic recycling, leather, pottery, food industry and textile and lot more. Later, we'll walk through some residential area of Dharavi, where you will get insight into the diverse communities living in the slum. On the way, we're gonna visit our community center, Reality Gives, where 80% profit from all of our tours goes back into the community in the form of education. Lastly, we're gonna end our tour in Kumbharwada, a pottery community, where you will see skilled craftsmen shaping raw material into beautiful piece of art.
Extend your visit with a hands-on pottery workshop. Shape your own clay piece under the guidance of local artisans.
Or enjoy a warm meal with a local family. Try simple vegetarian dish like dal, rice, chapati, sabzi and a sweet dish.
Join us on this extraordinary tour of Dharavi and be a part of something unique.